Welcome back to Expert Crypto. A lot of important information to go over. Level 99 mage in a yellow jacket. So, what do we have to go over? We have some things that have never been seen before. I've been doing technical analysis the past 12 hours, like almost every day, but today was a special and important day. No one's talking about this, guys. No one is talking about this. Yes, Bitcoin's probably going to dip and the market's going to take a dip. We all know that. Probably around 41, 42K. Set your stop losses. Don't be a lizard brain. Set your stop losses. Not talking down to you. I just saw someone say that in the chat. Pretty funny. But really make sure we have some very hard resistance with Bitcoin at 41 and 42K. So make sure to set that. We are at 39K as well. We have some resistance there as well. But let's get into this important news. All right. So first of all, got to pull some George here. Michael Saylor talking about Bitcoin, not, environmental Bitcoin, blah, 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 blah. We all know Ethereum is better than Bitcoin on this channel. If not, you guys got to go watch that video. But you want to know what we see right now. All right. You guys want to know what we see right now. Okay. Well, we see currently, right? We see currently that we are going to be having Ethereum lead the market. What do you mean Ethereum's leading the market? What do you mean? Okay, so we're seeing Ethereum be the first coin. It's almost acting like Bitcoin, right? We see Ethereum acting like Bitcoin, guys. Like I said, Michael Saylor, Elon Musk news. Okay, we get it. I'm going to get that scary thing out of here. Bitcoin Schiller over there. But look at the EMA levels for Bitcoin, right? We're way below, but way below. What do we see with Ethereum? Way above, way above, way above. And the entire market is reacting to Ethereum and not Bitcoin. This is huge. We haven't had this happen ever. Never, ever, ever, ever has this happened. So, so you guys have to realize that this is a very, very crucial moment. To have Ethereum leading the market is something that we haven't seen before. Guys, look how good Ethereum is doing right now. Look at these EMA levels, right? You see this recovery with Ethereum. We're going to go to Bitcoin and look at the EMA levels. This is showing how much Ethereum's outperforming Bitcoin right now. Camera just died. Okay, so let me see if I can do this. But yes, we see Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin currently. And that's going to be something that's going to be very, very important, very, very crucial. Sorry that the camera's dead. We're just going to need to roll with it. But let me actually go to a full screen. We can go full screen then this episode. All right. All right, there we go. We're full screen this episode. So, what do we exactly see? Well, we are going to be looking at. Guys, every single damn time, I swear. Always have some technical issues. Always have some technical issues. Right? Always have some technical issues. Well, we see the EMA levels for Bitcoin looking very, very bad, while we have these Ethereum EMA levels looking very, very bullish. The market is following Ethereum for the first time we have ever seen this happen. And this is very big, guys. This is very, very big to be seeing this, right? To be seeing this with the EMA on the weekly. You guys have to be looking at the weekly. No one's talking about this because they don't do technical analysis as much as I do, or as much as some other people do. Shout out to the Discord, right? Especially Retta for always looking at the 1 week EMA. But let's go on Ethereum. We'll look at Bitcoin first, show you guys where these crucial support lines are. Well, we have this support line here at 42 to 41. We had this triple top here where we broke down, and it's really looking like, guys, that we're going to be having a little breakdown with Ethereum, or a little breakdown with Bitcoin, incurring around this 42 level. Just set your stop losses, okay? Just set your stop losses. We will be going into some coins, but you have to remember that this moment in time right now, we're having Ethereum lead the market. That's something that's probably going to stick with this. We haven't seen this, guys. We didn't see this ever, and that's something that if you guys have been in crypto a while, you'll realize how important, how crucial that is. No one's talking about it. I'll probably talk about it tomorrow again. I'm not an Ethereum shiller over here, guys. I'm just speaking the truth on actually what's happening. Some people might not notice it, but you guys should be shocked right now. You guys should be shocked. But if you were to get to that 42 level in Bitcoin, that would be around another 8% run up from where Bitcoin currently is. We still have not too much support up here. We do have a support line at 40K as well, but our resistance level. So we have a 40K resistance and a 42K resistance. Make sure that you guys realize probably going to bounce down after this. Everyone knows this. Everyone's getting prepared for this. I've seen so many people, oh, 42, 40K, everyone's going to sell then. So if everyone's going to do it, you guys might as well set your stop losses, because I do have a good feeling. You guys got to understand, when everyone's bullish, right, you want to know what the market makers do, right? They make it bearish. When everything's bearish, things are bullish. I've seen this pan out all the time, so we actually could have a little breakout above 42K with Bitcoin. I see that happening, but that's not where the eyes should be on. We should get them off of Bitcoin, guys. All right, we got to get them off of Bitcoin. Yes, we could still be bearish. I'll stream when this happens, but all I'm saying, guys, is make sure to notice that when everyone's bearish, guys, things get bullish. When everything's bullish, things get bearish. That happens quite often. It's kind of a funny trend. But what do we see with Ethereum, right? So exactly what we see with Ethereum right now, it's leading the goddamn market, guys. It's leading the goddamn markets. We haven't seen this before. This shows strength. This shows charisma. This shows character for exactly where Ethereum is. We have no emotions on this channel, so we're able to notice that Ethereum's leading the markets. And we still have a little bit to go on this 200 EMA right here. So I do expect Ethereum to be breaking out of this and probably hitting around 3K. If we have Bitcoin go to 40, 41, 42, Ethereum will at least be 31 to 3,200 easily. And that's going to be something very, very big for you guys to get in on. Definitely make sure that you guys have your stop losses. That's all I'm going to suggest, just because we probably will have another bounce off of that. But I do see us breaking out. When everyone's bearish, guys, things tend to be a little bit bullish, okay? But yeah, is looking somewhat good. We will be getting into some trades, but this is just the main thing that you guys have to realize right here, okay? IEP 155 or EIP 1559 coming out in July, so we have less than really 30 days, 30 to like 45 days before this comes out, and this is going to change crypto. It already is right now. We're having Ethereum lead the markets. And just imagine when this comes out, just imagine a different market where Bitcoin isn't strangling the entire market. This is going to be very, very big. If you guys have any Bitcoin right now, I would look to get out of Bitcoin around 40 to 42K. And I would be putting your money into Ethereum, dollar cost averaging. We're hoping for another dip on this channel. We don't have any hopium, but we're just hoping for another dip. So just throwing that out there. But another dip would be very nice off of that level, but everyone is expecting it. I see the market makers definitely pulling something off, as I would too. Probably going to be longing the markets until maybe 45, 46K Bitcoin, and probably around 3,200 to 3,300 Ethereum. I've actually been longing all the way since this 1,800 level. And I actually pulled out, got some more around this 2,200 level right around here. Still going to be holding that till around 33, 3,200 is my TP price, my take profit price. Moving up my stop loss, of course. But I am extremely bullish on Ethereum. And you guys gotta really understand how crazy that is for Ethereum to be leading the market. I know I've said it 100 times. But let's get into Matic, okay? Matic has been absolutely going crazy. Want to know why, guys? Matic is going to be your 3x leverage trade. If you guys were leverage trading Ethereum, you guys might as well buy Matic, because that's what we've been seeing with their price action as of recently. They've been 3.6x whatever Ethereum's doing in price, which is absolutely amazing to see. So we saw Matic today go up, or in the past 4 days go up around 160%. Able to get them around the bottom. Guys, we've just been buying up Matic. Been taking our profits on Matic, of course, just set that trailing stop loss on them. But I do see Matic being able to pull off some astronomical gains as the charts change every day, right? The charts are showing that Ethereum's leading the market, right? You can't really tell if Ethereum's going to be leading the market. Yes, you can on some red days, but the green days, this is really showing exactly how Ethereum's changing the market. So make sure to really take into consideration that 3x leverage trade Ethereum. That's going to be what Matic is, okay, for at least the next few weeks. But hopefully we have another dip, guys. Hopefully there's some FUD out there. We have another dip. We have our stop losses, and we're able to pounce on that situation. But I really make sure, guys, hold your Matic, but set that trailing stop loss. You guys are already in a lot of profits for that, so you do not want to be messing around with getting greedy or anything. You guys got to take these profits when they come. But I'm going to be getting into a few other of these altcoins that have pumped. We do have a bullish market today. It did flip a little bit bearish, but as of right now, we have quite a lot of things that have been pumping and are pumping. Good to see Telcoin up. We do have some Telcoin. Do have Cello. Do have Thor. We do have Luna, Sushi, and actually, I don't think we had Sushi. I think we got liquidated on that trade or stop loss hit. Definitely have this chain link. We'll check into the side coin, but we do have quite a lot of things that are up today. Set your stop losses, guys. There's no reason not to. And we will be trying to get into another buy zone. I will let you guys know if we're going to be buying some more. We did go over buy zones earlier. I really am hoping we're going to have this dip, but like I said, you notice that when everyone's bearish or when everyone's bullish, it's the exact opposite. You guys can look back in the trends. It's kind of a funny thing that happens, but yeah, great day in the markets. Nothing's really down except for stable coins and a few of these turd coins down there. But let's get into the charts a little bit. I really want to explain to you guys how important and how significant some of these profits are going to be in the next week or so. You guys are going to be making a lot of your money back. You guys are going to be able to make some gains. We have been making gains, but I know a lot of you guys still haven't gotten with the strategy, haven't gotten to learn too much. But yeah, all right. By the way, guys, I will be making a video on Pond. I did tweet out about them, but you guys got to understand, buy at a lower level, wait for a dip. I'm looking for some lower levels right here to buy some Pond at. This is going to help Ethereum scale, guys. It's going to help Ethereum scale. It's a layer 0 solution. I'll get more into their fundamentals, but it does have a high circulating supply right here, guys. You guys see the circulating supply, fully diluted market cap. This is going to be big, right? When Ethereum grows, Pond will grow. Pond's very undervalued right now, but guys, look at this graph right here, right? It's in the accumulation phase right now. It's in the accumulation phase. Just saying that, we are down around, let's go check. We're down around, I will talk about this one go in depth tomorrow, but I'm just giving you guys a little treat right now, right? A little heads up. Down 83% from all-time highs. Great thing to see. But wait for this dip. I was going to make a video. It pumped very hard, but I trust that you guys will not ape into this and wait for some dips. Dollar cost average if you guys are going to ape, but I highly suggest that you guys don't. But yeah, let's get into some more trades. Really see where everything's headed. Set your stop losses in all these trades, guys. Luna did all right today. Wasn't one of our best performing ones, but we did get it at a very nice price. Up around 82%. That stop loss could have hit for some of you guys on that trailing stop loss. Ethereum, guys. One of our best gainers today as well. Look at this, guys. Like I said, Ethereum's controlling the market right now, guys. But with Dash, we saw a little gain with Dash. I really am looking, guys. Currently, I've been doing TA on Ethereum quite often. Been doing a lot of scalp trading, a lot of day trading over the past actually few weeks or since I've been doing YouTube. I do a lot of scalp trading, which is very fast-paced trading. But I do look at these graphs. I try and make these videos for you guys to swing trade. I will be trying to teach you guys as much information as I can, give you guys books and all the above. But we really do see this market right now. And I do the scalp trading. I do very fast-paced trading, but I also try and pay attention to where the market's trending long-term, short-term, swing-term, whatever you want to refer to it to. But things are looking like they're heating up, and we see it already. Yeah, a lot of gains in the market today, but really make sure, guys, to focus on the Ethereum layer 2s. By the way, WooTrade partnered with Polygon. I am looking for this price target. This was a little swing trade that I was doing earlier. That's around 130% from our buy down here, guys. Just saying. But yeah, we had probably around, I believe it was 8 or 9 cryptos that went up over 100% since last dip. Take that into consideration. How long ago was this dip, guys? How long ago was this? Right, 3 days ago. 3 days ago, we made over 100% on 8 different cryptos. Yes, you guys could have had some gotten liquidated, but you want to know what? You're probably still up 70, 60% on your portfolio. At least. I think we were. I gave you guys around 14 trades, and I believe around 11 of them or 10 of them hit, around that number. But I've been doing a lot more. But Reef was also looking very good today. Let's go check out Reef since then. We had a nice pump with Reef, around 80% on that. Yeah, I'm just focusing on these alts that have a lot of price action. I'm looking for high volatility in these altcoins. You guys have to be doing that, right? You guys have to be looking for high volatility in altcoins. Why is that? Because when we have high volume, we have a lot more ability to make gains, a lot more ability to see large pump ups, right? You guys are not going to see things make too many gains if they don't have high volume. That's just the name of the game. And we do see high volume in HOT, Hollow, and we weren't able to get this one, but I am looking for another buy order if this does dip a little bit. I do see things. If we do get that bullish trend, guys, I'm gonna let these buy orders fly. Put my stop losses on, but I really am looking forward to exactly what's going to happen tomorrow. We do have a few more days towards the weekend. I see us maybe getting a little bit bearish, at least by the weekend, right? Every single week we have at least 3 bearish days on average. Take that into consideration. 3 bearish days on average a week. So why are you buying on the green? I'm not going to talk about buying on the green if you guys are going to long. So really make sure to keep your eye out on Hollow, as I will. We'll be going into, let's go to the top gainer ones real quick. We'll be keeping an eye out on that. OMG as well is did make us a considerable amount of profits. I do see OMG pushing, but we're just looking for these next dips, right? We're just looking for these next dips, all right? I'm not really going to go through all these. I kind of already did this already. Not trying to bore you guys to death or anything. This guys. From there, last one. Very proud of us. Very proud of us, guys. Very proud of us. Let's give a round of applause for these dips and for you guys learning. And I'm very proud of you guys that are putting in the time and effort into learning. Very proud. You guys will have some rewards. I can promise you that very, very shortly or in the near future if you guys haven't already. Give us stop buy levels. Not sure what that is. You mean stop loss? Do a trailing stop loss. I would do around a 10 to 15% trailing stop loss on your buy orders. That's just my suggestion. Let me answer some of your questions. But yeah, like I said, Ethereum's leading the market. This is something that's insatiable, guys. This is something that you guys probably won't see for quite a while, right? Or we haven't seen in quite a while, or we haven't seen ever. So $5 Manic, yeah, probably going to be happening. I would say $5 Manic is looking more realistic than ever. The TVL ratio has gone up a considerable amount, but it's still undervalued, guys. I do see Manic being undervalued around $3.20, but the technical analysis is showing that we'll probably go to around $2.75 if we keep this momentum up. When we get to around 44K Bitcoin, we could hit that $5 mark at 50K Bitcoin. Think about that, guys. 50K Bitcoin, $5 Manic. Wow. Ada been slow. Yeah. Thank you for teaching me to zoom in. No problem, right? Yeah, Ethereum, guys. I will probably be doing videos of me doing scalp trading at some points, which is very fast-paced trading, but I want to get you guys familiar with swing and spot trading so you guys are able to make money through that. And I don't know. I don't know if I want to do that because 95% of you guys will lose in scalp trading, so I'm not really trying to shill that off and have the majority of you guys lose because you don't have the time to or are impatient. That's just not how I want to do my channel. Yeah, $5.13 billion in volume. $7 billion with Matic. $7 billion volume with Matic. Who would have thought? All right, we'll go over Solana. All right, so what do we see with Solana? Solana hype died down, guys. Solana hype died down a little bit. It is up 5%, guys, but who would have thought that that Solana would be getting outperformed by all these alts heavily, by all the ones that we picked? Only up like 60%, guys. Come on, come on. It would have hit our stop loss right there, but that would have been another buy. Buy level for buy level for Holochain. I can't. I will go through buy orders once we have that dip. But right now, I did already give you guys some buy orders for the lower part, but they're probably going to end up changing just because of how I see the market changing. Matic pumping because of Mark Cuban news. It's a little bit more than that. You have to understand, guys. Matic is instrumental to layer 2, right? You can't have layer 2 Ethereum. You can't have that without Matic. Matic is an instrumental tool to that. And the fact is, Ethereum is going to be flipping Bitcoin, showing this, right? Showing that it's the market leader right now. Things are following Ethereum, not Bitcoin. Why do you think Ethereum is pumping so much? Because, all right, so you want to know why Mark Cuban's investing into it? Because he knows Matic's going to be instrumental to layer 2 Ethereum. So what does he do? Buys Matic because Matic's going to be that 5x leverage trade that you guys can do just by holding it on spot without any leverage. That's basically what I was just talking about. Smart decision. We bought Matic at like 22 cents, so I'm sure Mark Cuban had it before that, but really have to understand that this right here, guys, this right here is insatiable. You guys don't see Ethereum leading the market. That's going to make in turn, that's going to make Matic extremely bullish. But really make sure, guys, to look into these other layer 2 projects. They will get this hype very, very soon, especially once this EIP gets closer and closer and closer. ADA gonna flip Ethereum later. Okay. All right. So I think we've covered the point on that. But what's the buy price on Ethereum? We have multiple buy prices. All of these 3 bottom white lines are good buy prices. Set your stop loss on them. They already hit earlier today. If you guys watched the earlier stream, we already hit these levels, right? We already hit these levels earlier today. So I'm not gonna really give you guys any buy levels. I already did this morning. All right, so Matic on Coinbase and KuCoin, yeah, it is. How about Donkey? All right, we'll go into Donkey. No, we won't. That's, guys, don't look in that stuff. Just focus on these high caps for trading right now. For trading, these profits right now are looking very, very good, right? They are. And don't FOMO into this, guys. Don't FOMO into this. I will talk about this in tomorrow's video. We'll talk about Pond in tomorrow's video, and I will talk about some more Ethereum, and I'll do a few streams tomorrow as well. Dollar cost average. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna end the stream now. So thank you guys. All right, thank you guys for coming here. Things are looking good. Like I said, let's summarize it. We have 41.42 support for Bitcoin, actually 40 to 42 support for Bitcoin. Everyone's bearish. When everyone's bearish, market makers like to make it bullish. When everything's bullish, when all these YouTubers, all these shillers are bullish, they like to make it bearish. Have a good feeling that we're probably going to break out of this 41, 42, 40 zone. The graphs and the TA are really showing that we're not slowing down right now. We haven't really been slowing down. We just kind of broke out of this consolidation onto the next run up. But make sure you still have your stop losses on, because we still could break down from that point. Still probable, but my opinion, more probable for us to break out. But don't bet the farm on it. Set the stop losses, and you guys will be good to go. But I will be streaming tomorrow, so make sure you guys tune into that. I will be going over the entire market. Had a nice 12-hour technical analysis scalp trading session today. Had a nice 12-hour session yesterday and the day before. On vacation, guys, still grinding, still trying to help as many people as I can. Have a great day, guys. Have a great day.